Shalom likulam, si Shubani, Ate Ay at welcome back po sa channel na ito. For today's vlog, ang ating po pag-aaralan is about ordinal numbers and days of the week. Number in Ibrit is mispar, singular, at sa plural naman, misparim. Siguro po nagtataka kayo kung bakit nakasama sa ordinal numbers ang days of the week. Sila po ay connected. Sana po tapusin mo ang video na to at nang malaman mo kung paano sila naging connected. Bon at Kel. Ordinal numbers, masculine form. Rishon, Shini, Ishlishi, Ribi'i, Hamishi, Shishi, Shiv'i, Ishmini, Chi'i, Aseri. Ordinal numbers, feminine form. Rishona, Ishniya, Ishlishit, Ribi'it, Hamishit, Shishit, Shiv'it, Ishminit, Chi'it, Aseret. Now we are going to days of the week. Day in Ibrit, Yom, singular. Sa plural naman, Yamim. Week in Ibrit is Shabua, singular. At sa plural naman, Shabuot. Guys, ang days ay masculine gender. At ang name of the days ay kinuha sa ordinal numbers, masculine form, except Saturday. In Hebrew, first day of the week is Sunday, at last day of the week is Saturday. Days of the week, Sunday, Yom Rishon, Monday, Yom Sheni, Tuesday, Yom Shlishi, Wednesday, Yom Ribi'i, Thursday, Yom Khamishi, Friday, Yom Shishi, Saturday, Yom Shabbat. Okay guys, thank you for watching at sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to at sana may natutunan kayo. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Toda raba, Lehitraot, Shalom Shalom.